Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this box. Let's try to take this box apart and see what's inside it. Okay. Good start. Anything else in there? Cool. Lightly wrapped. Oh, interesting. So people are doing this with a saran wrap lately. I guess it's to keep the moisture from going in, which is a good idea. As long as it works. I guess people have been complaining about getting wet discs. So this here is a Maxell Tone Label 80. And it's a little aged because it's kind of yellowing. This Maxell is special because it glows in the dark. Just to get the weight of it while we're here. This thing weighs just like an average disc. Yeah, it weighs like an average disc. I wish I had a UV light to shine on this thing, but the next best thing is just a bright ass light. Can we see it? Any glowing? Any glowing yet? No. Kind of hard to tell without a UV light or pitch darkness. You can trust me, this thing does glow in the dark. Very cool. I wonder how clean it is. It looks clean, just because it's clear. Yeah. Very well kept. Just a rare disc to add to the collection. Thanks for hanging out.